Ever pondered on the magic of having your cherished meals delivered right to your doorstep? The convenience that comes with it is quite something, isn't it? This is the charm of food delivery services, and one such service that has been making waves is DoorDash. DoorDash is more than just a food delivery service. It's a gateway to a universe of culinary diversity. Whether your cravings lean towards a classic pizza, a sophisticated sushi platter, a juicy burger, or a hearty burrito, DoorDash has got you covered. With hundreds of local restaurants under its umbrella, the options are practically endless. The beauty doesn't stop there. Each DoorDash delivery is handled by dedicated drivers, ensuring that your order arrives at your doorstep hot and fresh. Distance is no longer a barrier between you and your favorite meals. Imagine the joy of savoring restaurant-quality food without the hassle of waiting in lines or battling through traffic. That's the DoorDash promise. The DoorDash app, designed with user-friendliness in mind, grants you the power to track your delivery in real time. No more uncertainty, no more guesswork. You'll know exactly when to expect your meal, and that's a relief in itself. Quality is a cornerstone of the DoorDash experience. Each dish is treated with the utmost care, ensuring that it reaches you just as the chef intended. The result? A restaurant-grade dining experience right in the comfort of your own home. One feature that sets DoorDash apart is the ability to tip your delivery driver directly through the app. This ensures that the individuals providing excellent service are adequately rewarded for their efforts. Is DoorDash worth the buzz? The verdict is a resounding yes. With its vast selection, unmatched convenience, and unwavering commitment to quality, DoorDash is a game changer for food lovers. So why not give DoorDash a try? Experience the revolution in food delivery and bring the restaurant to your home. Enjoy your meal, and remember, subscribing to our channel will keep you updated with more enlightening reviews like this one.